Hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun. As you can see, I have two parcels here. Let me increase the brightness here. I have one from Amazon and the other from M Caffeine, which I had kept since a very long time. I wanted to do a video on this, but let's do the unboxing and then I'll give you an in-depth review in the next coming videos. I'll also tell you guys what you should buy. Also, I was about to do a challenge, 1 month challenge, and now it is like 2-3 months, I guess, but I'll be coming up with the videos sooner. But let me show you what I have ordered. With this you would know that if it worked for me or no. First, I had ordered this single bed sheet of fleece. Like for example, if you're traveling to a colder place and we are heading towards winter, where you want to keep yourself warmer during travels as well, and something that is lightweight. You cannot sometimes you cannot carry heavy jackets. Yes, you can wear them, but so this is a fleece single bed sheet. The quality I would say is not that great, but for the price I paid, I think this is okay. And this is quite, it's a because of fleece material, you can carry it very easily, and also it is lightweight, so it can easily go into your car. And whenever you are feeling cold, you can put it on. I think it is for one person. I think one person can aram se use it. So this is the first one. I have ordered this from Amazon, but the quality is not that great, but it is good for traveling. And also if you can use it, it's for one person basically. If even you can use it every day as well, but the quality is little compromised, so I'm not really happy. But yes, for traveling this is the best one. Instead of carrying heavy sweaters, I thought I would carry one of this and keep it in the car, and whenever I'm feeling cold, I will definitely use this. Okay, let's quickly, without doing much bakwas, let's quickly get on to the main product that I have here. Okay, I'm like really jungling and opening all these things. I don't really get this. Whenever I get any parcel, I don't know from where I should open it. I don't really have anything. Yes, got it. Okay, these have been lying since, I'm telling you guys, since a week, since 20 days at least. Okay, that's about it. And what have I got here? I have the face scrub. This is M Caffeine products have suited, like they well suit. So what I have got here, it is M Caffeine face scrub. Let me tell you that M Caffeine products have, it suits my skin really well. And the first one that I ordered is face scrub. Remember the products that I ordered from Smitten, the sample products. So that is when I decided that I want to go for the face scrub. And also I've spoken about the green tea. Like I haven't spoken, but I have showed you the demo, so you can get to know why I have ordered this product again. And also the other serum that I have ordered, since that this suits really well, this is a green tea and this is a coffee one. So I'll be using coffee for some time, and then maybe I'll come up with a video to say which is best. I have a dry skin, and but I always go for the products that suits all skin type, because if I use the product that's only for dry skin, then my face gets really, it doesn't suit well, because I know that I have dry skin, but still the product that is made for all skin types suits well on my face. And this is the best scrub I have ever used. This is really good. I'll come up with a video soon. Sorry for the delay, because I wanted to give it some time. Like I wanted to not use it for some time and then see if there is any reaction on my face. I'm doing a complete study on this, and maybe I'll use this for a week and then tell you which ones to buy, and which how to use it actually basically. So face scrub is the best. I'm telling you, people with dry skin, please go for this scrub. This is the best scrub I have ever used after Blossom Culture. This doesn't leave any greasiness on your face, and this is the best scrub I have used. And it is totally sealed. Okay, the packaging is really good here, I would say, because it is secured from, and there is not a single spill in the box since it was kept for a very long time. Okay, this is just not coming. So let me show you the scrub. Okay, is this the one that I ordered? I think this is the one. Yes, this is for normal to oily skin. And as you can see here, It has these light granules which are not greasy on the skin after you wash it. This is really good. So I'm very happy with the scrub. This is the best. I think you all should go for this scrub. I'm not sure if I ordered for the scrub that is for all skin types or normal to oily. Let me check on that, and maybe I'll put it in the description box. And let's open this. The best part about this serum is the moment you put on your face, it is like very rejuvenating, and the smell fragrance is amazing. And I wouldn't say much about this product because I want to do a separate video on this. And let's open the coffee serum. This is the newer launch that they have come up with. And also if you check the website, there are a lot more products, a lot more introductions to new. They are experimenting on a lot of stuff. So this is a serum. So this is a serum. Let me check how it smells. Oh, it smells exactly like mocha. I'm telling you guys, it smells like mocha coffee, and I think I'm going to love this one too. Let me do an experiment. Maybe I'll use this for a week. I've already used this and I'll come up with a video soon. And let me use this for from now till 1 week and show you guys how it is. So these are the products that I ordered, and you can see the scrub that I have applied. It's not greasy at all, but I want to make sure that I used the one for dry skin. The dry skin was normal to oily or for all skin types. I'll let you know about this in the description box. Yes, so these are the products that had been kept for a very long time, and let's see how it is. But these both are for all skin types. People with dry skin, oily skin, everybody can use it. One more important tip that I want to give here is after you apply serum, and the quantity that you must apply is very little. Yes, I'll be coming up with a video and showing in-depth review of how to use it and what to use it. The small tip that I was going to give you here is you need to use a moisturizer. I have shown in the video what kind of moisturizer you need to use if you have a dry skin. And So that's about it. And thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you guys, and check out the video. I'm telling, check out the website. They have a lot more of products introduced. And let me tell you that this is coffee with white water lily, and this is green tea with vitamin C. And let me see vitamin C, and let me see let me see how it works on my face, and we'll come up with a video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. So guys, this is the same scrub that I was using. I was a little confused if this was the same thing because I had ordered a little time back, and this is the same one. And also it comes with vitamin E, coffee with vitamin E. I think we can use these products separately also if you want. Like you can take coffee, coffee powder with vitamin E and use it. But caffeine products are really good. I think you should go for it. And I I checked the sample product that I had, and this is the same one. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. And yes, you can go ahead blindly, you can go ahead with the scrub. This is the best I have used, and it retails for 349. And caffeine has a lot of offers. If you check right now, it has all cool stuff like I had seen a mug with a lid as well. So I'm planning to buy that, and we'll show you how it looks. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.